Wonders and Everlasting Poems. It's in 3 different formats: hardcover, softcover, and even in electronic format. When you go online or to any bookstore, you grab your copies. Give them away to your friends who love to read. In this very book, you get some love poems. If you have a woman in your life, I know women love poems. Poems on love. Poems which, when you get it, you read it to her, it will melt her soul away for you. Let's go to one of the poems of love, called Poetic Love, page 244. Poetic Love. A true love comes from the heart, singing the songs of poem. It sees through the heart and avoids taking advantage of sin. A true love is a poetic love. It's the bell of perfect commitment. The poetic song is the string of eternal song, an organ of eternal memory, ringing real loud. Its silence speaks volume. At the darkest spot for eternal light. It's a prince before the heart of a longing princess, a soothing balm to a withered wilderness. I am the poet within me, the poetic song of my own love. My soul is a stream of mighty ocean pouring out from the well of eternity. A song from my soul can melt ocean, turning every mountain into a plain land. I am the soul of my music, and my soul is the source of my eternal poems. There is something so deep within, so far from the hand of a living mind. It is the soul within soul, the source within source. The core of my heart is the fertile soul for the evolving poems. It clones the songs of memory into living poems of eternity. My life is a devout servant of living memory. My life is a soul yearning for freedom at all costs. I shall live to see the day, my feet on the promised land. My life a full measure of sacrifice, sacrifice for my own crown. The day shall come when I shall stand exalted. Such is my poem of prophecy, a poem of perfect poem. Thank you.
Ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, 0.
You are the apple of my life, the very bread of my existence. I am so in love, honey, my lovely bee.
Sorry, you gotta take that again. 2, 1, 0.
The title of this poem is Sugar, Baby. Sugar, baby. You are the apple of my life, the very bread of my existence. I am so in love, honey, my lovely bee. Never you sting me with your love. Sweet butterfly, fly me around from nectar to nectar, all by the gorgeous power of your beautiful wings. Don't make love to my memory. Rather, make a true love to my soul. Sugar, baby, you are the living meaning of my soul. Though my soul with your love. No, let's go back further.
Okay.
Number 2.
Right.
Sweet butterfly, fly me around from nectar to nectar. All by the gorgeous power. Let's sorry. Let's go back again.
All right.
Please, sorry.
Go for it.
You want me to start afresh or just so?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Sweet butterfly, fly me around from nectar to nectar, all by the gorgeous power of your beautiful wings. Don't make love to my memory. Rather, make a true love to my soul. Sugar, baby, you are the living meaning of my soul. Touch my soul with your love, sweet darling. Caress my heart with your lovely smile, and never let you go. Love me, sweet honey, dear apple of my soul. Feed my eyes with your love, and smile for my longing spirit every day. Sweet love of my life, you are my dream come true. How sweet it is to love you. It's so lovely even to cherish the sweet scent of your bright face every minute. You are the light of my moon in the village season. The thought of you when you are not in my embrace drives me crazy. You are the poetry of my life. Sweet darling, you are my baby and my love. You are my poem of ages and my living sugar.